Alright guys, so the parts has arrived straight from Amazon right here, see? And then yeah, it's basically so what we have here is a spring, a part, this one the most important thing, the diaphragm, and a cap. So I think I'm just gonna pry the cap up and then put these together, and yeah, it should work. So I'll go there and I'll show you guys. Right now the car just it's like this, right? And then it was just making some noise. So right now basically I'm just using this as a lever, and then I just try to open it. Just be careful, don't break whatever you're prying on. You can break this, but don't break this one, because this is the actual cover. So you're just gonna work it a little bit, and then yeah, let me work it a little bit and it will come out, and I'll show you guys. So right now I pry off the cap. As you can see, you have this piece here, and then this one just go on top. So the moment of truth, let's see if this piece is actually broken. See, look at that right there, there's a tear. Oh, there's actually two tears. So yeah, I believe this is what is making the noise. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in, then I'll show you guys the result, but I think it should be fixed. All right, so the moment of truth, I'm gonna start it. See, so for the engine light, I do need this one, I do need a scanner to clear it. But as you can see, the car right now is running amazing, right? No, it's good. It sounds good too, right? So just make sure you hammer on this one. Make sure it sits properly. And then if I open this, see, so much easier. Even it idle down. See? Perfect. So good. So yeah, that's how you fix it. All the problem is just because that one little tear right there. I mean two tears.